We are in Princeton, New Jersey. We are renovating a house, 3 floors house. As you see, the covers, it's the most important for us. You see, we covered the opening to the kitchen. We covered the floors. Everything is wood floor. It's a beautiful wood floor. So we cover the entire floors. You see, we put like very heavy duty paper on the floor that we tape the paper to each other. We didn't tape it into the floor in order to not to remove the stain. The guys right now, as you see, the guys are fixing the walls. You see, we always cover the lights, cover the TV, cover the fireplace. This is how you work. I'm proud of these guys. They cover everything ready to go. Now they're fixing all the nail pops, all the cracks. As you see here, all these nail pops, they're circling them with a pencil, and then they're fixing everything. Right now, this is the stage of fixing. Tomorrow in the morning, they're going to sand it, prime it. We call it spot priming, and then we're going to apply 2 coats. It's going to be a big renovation. We're going to do some bathroom renovation. We're going to install some doors. We're going to install new lights, new stairs, many projects here. The basement, we're going to install custom-built cabinets, 2 bathrooms in the 2nd floor. We're looking forward for this project. We just started. As you see, we've got here a really good team. The master bedroom, it's a big room. And we cover the floors. It's the only thing that we're not going to replace is the floor. And it's kind of like expensive floor. It's a wood floor with a stain, like a beautiful stain, the entire floor. So we cover the floor 100%. All these walls, custom built cabinets on this side of the wall of the room, and the same thing over there and this side of the room. And then we're going to paint the room. We've got the master bathroom over here. We've got a closet. And then after the closet, we've got the master bathroom. As you see, the guys already covered. This is the first day of the project. First thing we do is covering the floors. We're really taking care of the clients' houses. As you see, we've got here the laundry section. The laundry section we're going to replace, it's a townhouse. We're going to replace this cover with real doors. We're going to install here bifolding doors. All these things like curtains, we're going to remove it. This is the kids' room. The guys, as you see, they're removing all the nail pops, totally removing, and we're going to install screws instead. So the screws going into the studs, and they're going to stay there like forever because the nails are like popping out, and it's like they keep popping out. So we just remove the nails. We're going to install screws. Screws is just go straight into the beams, to the studs behind, and it's really strong. It's excellent. It will last way more than just the nails that's popping out every winter. So this is the kids' room, and we just started the preparation. We're going to continue tomorrow. We're going to sparkle in the morning, in the evening we're going to sand it when it's dry, and then prime it, and then paint it. We remove the drop ceiling, and as you see, we're going to keep the lights. We're going to install the lights back because the next stage we're going to install drywall on the ceiling. But first we're going to do some framing because we have to frame it around the beams. You see the beams that holding the first floor. We are right now in the basement. So we're going to frame it around the beams, and the ceiling will be higher. The drop ceiling used to be till here. So it used to be like a claustrophobic. It used to be too low. So now it's going to be till here, very high ceiling. And then here it's going to be like a step, and all the way there. The lights are like hanging right now. We're going to install them back to the frames. We're going to install the frames, and then we're going to install drywall. The homeowner just purchased the house, and they didn't like the drop ceiling. They want drywall. So all this basement, we've got here about 1,000 square foot basement. Maybe you can walk and just show them this section. You can zoom out, and then we've got this section that also will remove. This is a master bathroom. I know it's a small bathroom, but it's a townhouse. So this is the master bathroom. We're going to remove the toilet, the vanity, the standing shower. We're going to install brand new. This is like the before. So we're going to post a video after the completion. But you see, this is like the old school with the silver frame, all these kind of like yellowish tiles, and the prefabricated floor. It's like probably from the 80s. The toilet go to the garbage. These go to the garbage. The vanity, the light, the mirror, everything we're going to replace. This is the before. We're looking forward to replace everything. You see, we cover the floor. We don't want to damage the floor. The floor, we're going to keep it the way it is. All the master bedroom. This is a small bathroom that we have in the hallway upstairs. All this bathroom is going to go, all that will go to the garbage, and we're going to install new tiles, new toilet, new vanity, and new tiles on the floor here. They already bought the lights and the mirror. So this is going to be complete renovation from scratch. We're going to gut this place, and we're going to install. So we are looking forward for this project. Just look at the bathroom right now, and we're going to show you the final result probably in 8-9 days, something like that, maybe 10 days. It's going to be beautiful. They bought some beautiful tiles for the shower and above the tub, on the floor, and the vanity.